Hi there, Sasha Lydiard from Think Outside the Bot. So one of the questions I often get asked is how do I get certain people that want to see my posts on my profile actually get to see them? Well, one of the things that you can utilize is your friends list. So if we go to here, I have got friends lists, and I've got a whole load of different lists here that will help me with the Facebook algorithm in order to ensure that people see my posts. So what we can do is we can create a list. So if I want to create this as I'm going to do test, and I'll just put prospects. So create the list and name it whatever you want, and then I'm going to bring up some people here. Gemma, and who else should I do? Sue Richards. Charlotte, there you go. Right, so pop those into my list, create the list, and then what will happen is I will just, if I want to go and look at that list on a daily basis, it'll just bring me up posts from those particular people. So you've got Gemma doing quite a bit down here, lots of stuff coming in from Gemma. Have we got anybody else? There it goes, there's Sue's, and there you go. So that's just for today, what's come through. So I can then interact on those particular posts, whether I want to like, comment, and that will then mean when I put a post out that they're more likely to see it because I've been interacting with their posts. It just keeps that organized. You can build that up. And then what you can also do is if you do a post and that just goes, if we just do test, you can see it just goes to the people on that list. So you've got that option as well. But even when you're just doing a normal public post, those people are far more likely to see it because you've been interacting with their posts as well. Hope that makes sense. Any questions? Give us a shout. Bye for now.